Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will be discussing some high probability upcoming trades and some of the sectors which may perform in upcoming weeks. So let's get started. So the first stock which we will be discussing today is of Titan. As we can see from the chart, this is a daily chart of Titan. There was a clear uptrend in Titan. Let me pull out the pointer. So yeah, so there was a clear uptrend in Titan, and then stock showed some consolidation from January till now, and then on Thursday the stock gave a nice breakout over here. So if we plot the support and resistance, so you can see over here as a resistance, here also resistance, and then stock consolidated a bit over here. Here some supports were present at the range of 1400. So one rejection, two rejection, three rejection, and then finally when the stock run up, it consolidated before giving a breakout. So from a perspective of the long term, so you can see it's a kind of, there is a clear uptrend, then there is a consolidation which played over here, and then there is a breakout which happened over on this Thursday. And if you see that this was also some kind of a flag pattern, stock rallied, and then it consolidated in the range of resistance, and then it gave a breakout. So yeah, this stock can rally more in upcoming days. So this is one of the stocks which I have taken trade in, and I think it's a high probability stock because the stock has come out of consolidation after a very long period. So the second stock which we are going to discuss is Muthoot Finance. So the same as of Titan, but yeah, the consolidation. If you check from, it's from from the month of July. So the stock was consolidating in a range, and then stock gave a breakout over here. So yeah, kind of box, we can say that. Okay, so the stocks was taking support over here in this range there was some support. uh, so stock gave a breakout now after a long consolidation, which is a good sign. And you can see the volumes also here. The volumes are huge spikes. So yeah, I have taken trade in this also, and then I feel this stock also in upcoming days, it may consolidate over here for some period of time, and then the stock may go up, above. So this is also one of the stocks which I have taken in a position, and I feel that this is also one of the high probability trades. So going forward, we have the stock Gracia. So as also you can see, a long trend in a form from 2020 May, and then stock from the month of March, it was again in some consolidation. So if we plot something like this, so you can see a breakout here. So it tested the resistance once, twice, thrice, and then finally the stock breakout above all the swings. So yes, I feel there is more momentum towards the upside in Gracium. So it can also be one of the high probability stocks. The important thing to note here is that if you are finding the content useful, please like the video, comment your thoughts on what I am discussing, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So going forward, this is one of the other stock which is one of the high probability, and then it can give a good return over a period of time in upcoming days. So now we will discuss some sectors. So coming up with the Nifty IT, as you can see, Nifty IT has rallied from March uh, till now, and then it was in a consolidation from a longer period from the January itself. So here one resistance, here again some resistance. The index came down. Index taking support at the level of 2400. Now look at what index is doing. So index is uh, this is in a range in the area of resistance. So it is consolidating in a area of resistance. So if we compare this with a graph of Titan. So look what Titan did. So it came, it consolidated in a range of resistance, and then it broke out. So if we compare this with the Nifty IT, there is high probability that Nifty IT can, consolidate somewhere here more, or it may give a breakout in, the upcoming week itself. So this is one of the sectors which I am watching, and let me know what are the IT stocks which you are watching out, so I can give my suggestion as well. What are the stocks which I am watching out for the IT? But yeah, IT is one of the high probability trade, because some candles maybe get some candles get printed over here, and then the index itself shoots out. So this is one of the sector which I am watching out for, and you should also watch out for this sector. The next sector which I am looking out for is metal. So as we all know that the metal has rallied from, somewhere around from 2000 then till 5300 or 5500, but now this metal has a clear uptrend in place, but we are seeing some sort of consolidation, or maybe you can say pullback. So yeah, this is also one of the sectors which we need to watch out for. If you can see the constituent of Nifty metals like JSW, Tata Steel, SAIL, and the other metal stocks. So all of those are consolidating now. So we need to watch out for the metals. So if they break out, or and if the metal index break out above this, so the metals can give a further rally above 5500, and it may heads higher from this level also. So metal is was also one of the stocks, one of the sectors which we need to watch out for. Do check the chart of others metal stocks such as JSW, Tata Steel, and Hindalco, Vedanta, SAIL. So all of those have the similar kind of pattern. They all have a trend in a place, and then they are consolidating right now. So once they break out, so it will be a good trade for us, and it can head higher from these level also. So these are some of the sectors which we need to watch out, and the stocks which I have already discussed. So yes, if you find the video useful, please considering hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment your thoughts below. Thank you.